Get your laptop or your mobile device and follow the steps that I'm about to show to earn $540 passively. You only need to set it up once and you can just leave it and do whatever you want to do. The best thing about the strategy I'm about to show you is that you can do it from anywhere in the world and you don't have to invest anything, so why not give it a try? Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. In this video I'll show you how to earn money by using Gifs. For those of you who aren't familiar with what a GIF is, you don't need advanced technical skills to make this. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format and is a lossless image file format that supports both animated and static images. To see what a GIF looks like, simply search for it in Google Images and you'll be able to see the results. As you can see, GIFs are similar to videos in that they are short and do not contain any audio or music. This one is a GIF, as is this one. I believe you've seen these online, particularly in Facebook comments, and we'll be using these GIFs to make a passive income online. The next step is to go to Giphy.com, which is a website where a lot of people come to upload and download GIFs. As you can see, they have GIFs for reactions, entertainment, sports, stickers, and artists. If you scroll down their page, you'll be able to see all of the available GIF. You can see some popular GIFs right here, and if you want to know more information about them, simply click on them. I highly recommend that you watch this video all the way through so that you know all the steps, and I'll also share with you some exclusive bonus tips that will help you earn more money. The next step is to go to their search box and type in followers count, and then hit the search icon to be redirected to this page where you can view and select various GIFs related to followers count. When you scroll down the page, you'll notice that there are literally hundreds of GIFs. Choose something that looks nice and clean because it will attract a lot of people later on. Once you've found a GIF that you like, all you have to do is download it to your device. You can choose whatever you want, and you can even choose more than one. Now that you've saved your GIF, I want you to go to this website called eclincher.com. This is a social media management website that assists social media managers with publishing and scheduling posts. Their goal is to simplify social media marketing by providing a comprehensive and user-friendly solution to engage, monitor, and grow an audience across multiple social networks. This website is trusted by many brands, agencies, and franchises, which you can see down here. As you can see, they are trusted by some of the world's biggest brands, which means they are completely legitimate. Just below that, you can see some of their customer testimonials as well as some of the awards that they've received. One of the best things about this website is that it can be integrated with some of the most popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, and many more. What we'll do on this website to earn money is become a partner or an affiliate. To become an affiliate, simply scroll down to the bottom of the website and look for the Partner/Affiliate button. After clicking it, you'll be led to this page where you can learn more about their Partner/Affiliate program. You can see how much they'll pay for referral commissions by scrolling down below. As you can see, you can make up to 100 per commission. To join up as an affiliate, click on this blue button right here and you'll be taken to this page where you'll need to fill out some information in these boxes. Simply fill out the required information, and then press this drop-down menu to see that they accept people from all over the world, indicating that it works globally. After filling out your information, click this box to agree to their terms and conditions, then click this I'm not a robot, and finally click the sign up button right here. Once you have an account with eClincher, you can begin affiliate marketing. To proceed to the next stage, go to Imager.com. And what you need to do is sign up for a free account over here as well. To do so, simply click on this green button on top and fill out the required information. You can also register using your Facebook account, Twitter account, Apple account, or even your Google and Yahoo account. It's entirely up to you. Once you have an account on Imager, simply click on this new post button and you'll be redirected to this page where you can upload the image. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll need to write something about the GIF, something that will catch people's attention, like this, and then don't forget to include your eClincher affiliate link in the description box, so that when people see your GIF, they'll also see your affiliate link, and if they click on it, you'll earn money. When you're finished with that, click on this community button so that your GIF will be seen by a lot of people. You can do this again and again. Simply pick a GIF, save it, and then upload it to Imager with your affiliate link. That's how you make a passive income, and that's all there is to it. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button. Till next time.